So I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall and remove Microsoft OneDrive from your Windows 11 computer. So I'm going to start by going on to my local disk C, which is my main hard drive. I'm going to go in there to my local user account, which is Jamie. When I installed OneDrive, it installed this OneDrive folder. And when I turned on the backup option with OneDrive, it took all of my folders from my local user account and put them all in here into the OneDrive folder. And then this folder syncs to your main OneDrive account with Microsoft Online. Now, what I want to do is show you guys how to stop backing up, stop syncing, and restore all of these folders back into your local user account with the data still in them. And then we are going to uninstall OneDrive. And once we do this, you can always reinstall OneDrive later. You will not lose data. Your pictures, videos, and things will still be in your main OneDrive account online. So I'm going to open up a couple of windows here. So this is the OneDrive folder here where it took control of all my folders, okay? So down on the lower right corner, there's a little cloud. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And then that little gear icon at the top right, I'm going to select that and select settings. Then in here, I can choose to manage backup. This is the first thing we want to do is choose to manage backup. This automatically, backs up when you toggle these on. I'm going to toggle this off, go down here where it says stop backup and choose where to keep files. The one you want to choose to restore your computer back to normal and keep the files in there is the one that says only on my PC. Files will be in the documents folder on this PC and not in the OneDrive folder. Online only files can't be moved. You have to download them first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel this and just show you what that means. In here, when you look at this folder, there's like a little circle with a check mark in it. If you right click on that, you get some options here that say always keep on this device, free up space, or OneDrive. The one that you want to choose is always keep on this device, and that's going to turn green. And what I like to do is just select all of them, and then I can choose to always keep on this device. If I do that, these are going to turn green, and that's going to ensure to me that when I turn all this off, it's going to restore everything over here back to the local user account with the files in there. And the reason I say to do that is because when I toggle off the documents folder and click stop backing up and choose only my PC and click continue, it tells you they can no longer be found in OneDrive. Your files are in the local documents folder on this PC. So it moved the documents folder back over here, but now you can see the files are in here. Like it moved the files over, and it also removed the documents folder from the OneDrive and moved it over here. The nice thing about it is the files that were over here that show a little cloud, they get downloaded to the computer. It said it won't copy online only files. So I know that I'm getting everything moved over then when I highlight all these and I choose like this and I right click and choose to always keep on device. So for each of these, I'm just going to turn them off, go to stop, only on my PC. I'm going to click continue. You'll notice that it's sticking them back to the local default location. It's removing them from the OneDrive folder. And if I go into pictures, it's also putting a copy, of everything that was over here back in the local user account. So I'm just going to go down the list here and do this for each individual one. Now you'll see I turned off all the backing up stuff. All the stuff that's on the OneDrive account on this PC only is now moved back to the local user account. And all the files are still in your Microsoft OneDrive account online. And they're also over here now. So if I go into music, you can see there's a playlist folder. If I go into videos, you can see there's another folder in there. So whatever was in there would be over here in your local user account. So now to uninstall OneDrive, you want to click on the cloud, select the little gear icon again, the top right, select settings. What you do is you choose account, and then you choose unlink this PC, and then you choose unlink account. OneDrive files will stop syncing, which is fine. Local available files will remain on the device while online only files will be removed. That is why I had you guys right click on everything and download them so you get that green circle. So now that we did that, we unlinked OneDrive. Now what we have to do is uninstall OneDrive from the computer. So I'm now going to go to the little window. I'm going to go to settings, go into the computer settings, and we're looking for the one that says apps and then installed apps. You want to go into all your installed apps, and then you want to go down to where it says Microsoft OneDrive. When you find a Microsoft OneDrive, there's like 3 little dots, which gives you more options, like a little menu. You want to click uninstall and then go ahead and uninstall OneDrive from your computer. Down here in the lower right, the cloud with the line through it should disappear, which it did, and it should disappear out of this list. Now we are in the main Jamie folder. I'm going to click Jamie. You can see that the documents folders are back. The pictures folder is back. These things are back to their local user account area. And the OneDrive folder has changed to look like that. And I'm just going to go ahead and delete it because I don't need it. So right now, what I suggest you do is restart your computer, because if you want to know for sure if these folders are officially back in your local user account, you can right click on them, go to properties. You should have a location tab here. You can click location and you'll see that they're restored back to the local user account. Sometimes you have to restart the computer, but it looked like mine restored. That's all I had for you guys. OneDrive is officially off my computer. If you can't find your documents or your whatever you were backing up, like your pictures, if there are things in here that are missing or there's something wrong, go on to a browser like Chrome, log into your Microsoft OneDrive account directly, like through a browser. Go in there and look for your pictures and stuff, because I'm sure that your stuff is just fine. Or you can just reinstall OneDrive and it'll sync everything back to your computer again. So if you found this video was helpful, hit the like button and share it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.